Myself Siddharth Chauhan, welcome to Easy MedChem. Today's part of the video will be covering about the nerve cells which are present in the lateral gray column and the white matter. We will start the white matter. In the previous section of the videos we had covered about the nerve cells which are present in the anterior gray column and the posterior gray column. So today's topic we will be starting about the nerve cells in the lateral gray column and then we will start the white matter. So the nerve cells in the lateral gray column are, it will formed by the intermediolateral groups of the cells. So it is formed by the intermediolateral groups of the cells, and it is not present throughout the length of the spinal cord. It starts from the level of thoracic first and ends at the level of lumbar second or lumbar third. The cells give rise to the preganglionic sympathetic fibers, and in cervical second, third and fourth they give rise to the preganglionic parasympathetic fibers. So we have to understand, or we have to remember, that the cells which will give rise to the preganglionic sympathetic fibers, and in the cervical not in the sacral region of the second, third and fourth, they will give rise to the preganglionic parasympathetic fibers. So this is the lateral gray column, or the nerve cells present in the lateral gray column. So now we'll start the white matter. So if this is the diagram of the white matter which I have already drawn here, or this is a cross section or the transverse section of the spinal cord, this is the white matter. So in general, the white matter of the spinal cord is divided into three types, which are the anterior white column, lateral white column and the posterior white column. So if this is the rough diagram of the spinal cord, if this is the rough diagram of the spinal cord, okay, if this is a white and this is the gray matter. So this is the rough diagram of the spinal cord. Okay, so if this is the anterior side and this is the posterior side, the white matter of the spinal cord is divided into three types. These are the anterior white matter, posterior white matter and the lateral white matter. Okay, so the anterior white matter, posterior white matter and the lateral white matter. So the white matter are divided into three types: anterior white matter or white column, lateral white column and the posterior white column. The white matter is due to the myelinated fibers. So wherever the myelinated fibers are present, it will give the color of white. So the white matter is due to the myelinated fibers, and it consists of the nerve fibers, neuroglia, blood vessels and etc. The white matter consists of the tracts, or they will consist of the fibers. Their fibers are of three types. The tracts are of three types, which are the ascending tract, descending tract and the intersegmental tract. So the three types of tracts present in the white matter are the ascending tract, descending tract and the intersegmental tract. So if this is the cross section or the transverse section of the spinal cord, so this is the anterior white column, this is the posterior white column and these are the lateral white columns, isn't it? So that's all for the white matter in this. For this part of the video, we will be continuing about the white matter in the next section of the video. So do like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more notification. And please guys do comments also. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe Easy MedChem and press bell icon for more notification.